Okay, students, we'll begin with the next topic of the transformation, that is use of no sooner than. Many times in the sentence we need to use these words. So if the sentence is in present or in future tense, two things that we have to give. There are two rules only for no sooner than. The first thing is, if the sentence is in present or in future, two things, either it may be in present or in future, then what have we to do? Just like we did in the previous question tag, do and does, same thing, but a bit of change here you have to do. Then while making the sentence, what you have to do? First of all, we have to write no sooner plus do or does, that you know when do will appear or when does will appear. So either do or does according to the sentence, plus subject, that is either he or I or any other name may be given, the subject, plus the first form of the verb. Okay, we'll use the first form of the verb plus then. So between no sooner, in the slide also you can see that it is written no sooner than, there are few dots, and then is given, than, means when we start the sentence with no sooner, there are few words in between, and after that we have to put the than then. So first form of the verb plus then, and then if the any remaining part of the sentence, it may be 2 words, 4 words, anything, whatever is left, that you have to continue writing. Again I will repeat, no sooner plus do or does according to the sentence, plus the subject, whatever the subject may be, plus first form of the verb, plus then, plus remaining part of the sentence. Few more explanations. No sooner than is used to show that one thing happened immediately after another thing. Means an incident occurred immediately after a few moments or few seconds, other thing appeared. So in that form we have to use no sooner than. No sooner introduces the event that occurred first. So in this sentence mostly it will be as two incident may occur. Okay, two events are occurring. So for the first incident, whatever is occurring, we are using no sooner, and for the other incident that is occurring in this sentence, we are using then. So no sooner introduces the event that occurred first. No sooner did the bowler bowl, the batsman fell down. So no sooner did the bowler bowl, that is the first incident. The batsman fell down, that is the second one. It is the negative form of as soon as. Okay, it is the negative form of as soon as. And avoid as soon as, at once, soon, etc. while using. Okay, we'll go through it, don't be worried. Again, it's not that difficult, just pay attention. I went to bed, I fell asleep. Now you can see that in the sentence there are two events that are occurring. First one is I went to bed, then there is a full stop, means one event has been done. What was the second event? I fell asleep. Okay, now as I told you here that no sooner introduces the event that occurred first, and the first rule, no sooner than, is used to show that one thing happened immediately after the other thing. So what did it happen? I went to bed, that was the first thing. Immediately after that, what happened? What was the second event? That I fell asleep. So now we have to, I have not given the answer here, you may try it orally also right now. I went to bed, full stop, I fell asleep. Try to make the sentence. I am giving you, it just needs 2 seconds to make. Then I will give you the answer, so that if it is correct, you may understand that you are knowing the answer, you should be happy about it. Okay, that much time is enough. Now we'll go through the answer. Now rewrite using no sooner than. Now we have to use no sooner and and then, and we have to make the sentence. So I went to bed, I fell asleep. no sooner. We have to start the sentence with no sooner. Okay, and then we have to use did. Even had can be used, but mostly did is used. So no sooner. Then I'll continue with the answer. What is the correct answer? No sooner. Then we have to use when, did. That is the helping verb. I go. Now that we have to keep in mind that we cannot write no sooner did I went to bed. No, we have to make it into, change it into go. No sooner did I go to bed. Okay, that much you should remember. No sooner did I go to bed. You cannot write no sooner did I went to bed. No sooner did I go to bed. Now the important thing here is that in this sentence you can see that there were two sentences, and compulsory there will be a full stop. Many times a comma is also used, but that we have to remove, because while making the sentence of no sooner, it has to be a complete sentence. When it will be given to you, there will be two sentences in the single sentence. As you can see it on the top, one it is written I went to bed, then there is a full stop, I fell asleep, then again full stop. So there is a full stop in between, that we have to remove, and when you remove the full stop, there you have to place THAN, then that you have to keep in mind. Okay, so no sooner did I go to bed, then that is a complete sentence. We removed the full stop, and what did we place there? We placed THAN, then. And what will we do? Still the answer is incomplete. No sooner did I go to bed than I fell asleep. Mostly the remaining part of the sentence has to be put as it is. You need to concentrate on the beginning part of the sentence only. There is where you create mistake, and due to that mistake the entire sentence will be considered wrong. Mostly the remaining part of the sentence doesn't much change, except few exceptions. Otherwise the remaining part you have to just slide it down as it is. The thing that you have to keep in mind is the beginning of the sentence and removing the full stop and placing THAN, then. And the sentence that you have to start with is no sooner. Again we'll do one more. He received the message, full stop. He started his work. Two sentences obviously. He received the message, full stop. He started his work. Come on, it's your time. Start doing. Start thinking at least. And don't worry if it is wrong. I'm giving you time. I'm wasting my time. It's for you. Come on. Start doing the answer. I'll not show you the answer. He received the message, full stop. What did I say? That we have to begin with no sooner. Begin it with no sooner. Then we have to change the word received. What will you place there? Then what we have to take out a point that is after the message, you can see that you will have to remove. Then the remaining part, as I told you, doesn't much change. Okay, that much time is enough. Have you got the answer in your mind? Again, think quickly, hurry up. Then I'll give you the answer. Okay, time's up. Now the same thing here. No sooner, then what will we write? Did. No sooner did he received. Now what have we done? Instead of received, we are making it into received. We are removing the ed. No sooner did he receive the message. Not much change. See, we are only changing from received to received. We cannot write no sooner did he received. No, then it will be considered wrong. No sooner did he receive the message. Then what have we to do? Remove the full stop. And when we remove the full stop, that means we have to place something there. What will we place? THAN, then. We just cannot remove the full stop. We have to replace it with something else. So what will we replace it with? We will replace it with then. So no sooner did he receive the message then, and keep in mind that there is a full stop in the sentence, so H is capital. Don't write H capital or any other word that is after the full stop capital, because now we are removing the full stop. Keep that in mind. You have to write it in the small letters. He started his work. See, nothing changed in the next sentence, as I told you. Just pay attention on the first portion of the sentence. One more. We heard the noise, full stop. One first part of the sentence. Second, full stop. After full stop, we rushed to the spot. What will we do now? Come again, few seconds to you. Try out the answer. We heard the noise, full stop. We rushed to the spot. Use no sooner. We is already given to you. Heard is used, so we have to make it into heard should not be there. First form of the verb should be there. Excuse me. Heard is not the first form. It is in the past tense. Here is the word. Remove the full stop. After that I don't need to say because we are just placing it. What the answer? Very good. The answer, no sooner did we are doing nothing, we are placing no sooner in front, then did we. Okay, we is in the sentence. Now again, heard is used, so we are removing heard and placing the first form, that is here. The noise. Remove the full stop. If we remove the full stop, what are we placing there? TH and then. Then we dash 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 rush to the spot. Good. I took a dose of medicine. And actually I need it also right now. I took a dose of medicine. Full stop. Soon I started feeling better. Hope so. I took a dose of medicine. Full stop. That's the first part of the sentence. Soon I started feeling better. Again, start thinking of the answer. Hurry up. If the answers are incorrect, don't worry. Just keep on trying. We'll use, what was the rule? Use no sooner plus do, does or did plus subject, first form of the verb plus then, and then the sentence. One thing we have to keep in mind is that this equation that I gave you, no sooner, do or does, it only changes, as you can see that the other sentences that we did were about did, did. So you might be thinking that sir, does, do and does have not yet appeared. But the thing is, if the sentence is in past tense, at that time do or does is not used. The entire equation is the same. We'll use no sooner plus, if the sentence is in past tense, use did. Okay, keep that in mind. If it is not in past tense, then we can use do or does accordingly. I took a dose of medicine. Soon I started feeling better. Okay, so the answer is again, no sooner took is used, so again it is in past tense. So no sooner did I took becomes take a dose of the medicine. Remove the full stop. Now in this sentence again soon is used. See, these types of sentence may also appear. So we cannot write, we have already used no sooner in the beginning. So we need to eliminate, we need to cut down again the word soon also. That is obvious. If you try to make the sentence with soon, it will not appear correct in any sense. No sooner did I take a dose of the medicine, remove the full stop, and here we need to remove soon also, because we cannot write then soon I started feeling bad. That is wrong, obviously. So we have to remove soon also. Then I started feeling better. Next sentence. Try it out. As soon as the bell rang. See, here there is no full stop. The students ran out of the school. As soon as the bell rang, the students ran out of the school. But there is a comma. So what will be the answer? Start guessing. As soon as we are cancelling it out, we are removing, because it is in the beginning. See, as soon as the bell rang. We have to use no sooner. We cannot use no sooner as soon as. both together. So again the word rang has been used, past tense, so we have to make it into first form. No sooner than we use the word did, again because it is past, did the bell rang becomes ring, first form. We are removing the comma and placing then we are putting just the second sentence as it is. The students ran out of the school. Now these are the 4 examples for you that you will have to do it by yourself. So again, as if you have watched my previous lectures, again and again I am telling, whatever examples I am explaining to you, all the explanation all the examples you will have to write down in your fair book. Again, this is the one more topic of transformation of the sentences. You can put the topic as use of no sooner and then in the same way, and all the these are the explanation that you need to write down, and these are the examples that you need to write down with the answers. You can put the number and you can write down the all the examples also. If you think that something that I have spoken is also important, then you can just pause the video and write down the explanation also. It takes just 2 or 3 lines. It will help you when you read out. When you need to prepare, it will be helpful to you. So you can listen to the video again and again by rewinding, and whatever you think that is important, you can just jot it down in your fair book as an explanation. Just put a star and just write down whatever explanation you think. You can use your own words also, as I have used mine, and the examples also. And if you find any other examples, I have told you that you can write at least 10 more examples in each of the exercise. So this 4 you will have to write down, including all the explanation. This I have given you 5 more. With that 5 and this 4 and the bit of an explanation. Hope this was helpful to you. Thank you very much.